All right. So good evening, everyone. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Joining for late due to a specific reason. I do have a faculty meeting. I didn't expect that one. Fine. Anyway, let us start the session. Very good evening, online team. Let me, as usual, let me prepare running notes. It is clear, right? 1 minute. Is it clear? I thought. Still, we are continuing with the same topic. 30, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. We are running with the same topic. Come on, let us continue. So in real time, once we get the data set, the first one is get the data set from client, get the data set from client, actually from client in the sense for the related project. And second step is load the data set. What is that one, sir? Load the data set. Whenever you are loading the data set, can somebody help me? What we are getting result? Yeah, very good. We are getting what exactly? Data frame. Sir, in your hand, once we do have a data frame, then we can apply methods. Apply what exactly? Methods. Based on your requirement, you can apply methods actually. Now, yesterday, we started discussion, assuming that there is a point. We are loading the data set or loading the data set, then we got a data frame. Then what is the first operation? Check the missing value. Check what exactly, sir? Missing value. If you wanted to check the missing value, how we can check? Df dot is na dot sum. If you are checking like this, we are going to get a boolean values. We are going to get what values actually? Boolean values. Boss, I don't want boolean values. I need kind of missing values in a column wise. Otherwise, I would like to say column wise missing value. What is that one? If you wanted to get column wise missing value, df dot tell me, is na dot sum. If anyone missed previous sessions, kindly please walk through the recordings actually, so that you can understand the today continuation session actually. Is it fine? Screen is clear, right? Yeah, good. Good. All right. Then it's a right time we need to learn how to handle. What exactly, sir? How to handle? How to handle, df dot drop na. What method? Drop na. Till here I covered yesterday. Am I right? Good. Fine then. Let us continue. Let me jump into the topic directly. Handling missing value. Yeah, I would like to say this is counting missing value. Even this one is counting missing value based on what exactly? Percentage. Based on percentage. Good. And a drop in a method handling missing value. What exactly happened? The very first one is importing the libraries or else importing the packages. The next step is we are loading the data set. And after we loaded the data set, what exactly we are doing? Maybe chance missing values would we have. First, in between this one and this one, first we need to check, do we have a missing values or not? If we have a missing value, then only we need to go for what exactly? Drop in a method. Can I ask a question? Is it functional method? Tell me, sir, functional method. Method actually. Keep in mind that. Very, very important. Next one. Did I cover? I hope I covered this one also. Am I right? After dropping, we are checking. After dropping, we are checking. Drop method returns new data frame. Over that new data frame, cross check actually. Over that new data frame, cross verified. Yeah, exactly. This one I hope I need to cover. Am I right? Good. Let's continue this topic. Let us just try to I just wanted to hear from you. What is the file name, sir? fruits1.csv. Create a folder. I would like to say my folder name is a programs. Copy paste the data set here. Can I hear from you? The code is, can I hear from you? Importing, import pandas as pd, df equals to pd dot read underscore csv and fruits one dot csv. Let's print the data frame once, boss. Yeah, so this example demo.py, we are just trying to running the example and you can run the code directly. All right, just try to see. Yeah, the data frame is created successfully. I just wanted to check, do we have a missing values or not? How to check actually? Dot is n a dot sum. You can still call info method also. What method, sir? Info method also. Just try to see. We do have a missing value. We do have what exactly? Then come here. We can call one method. What is that method name? You know, let us make it. This one is df1. Now df2 equals to df1 dot drop na. What is that one? Drop na. Now if you want, we can cross verify. Df2 dot is na dot sum method. No missing value. Did you understand till here? Now one point you need to understand. Come on, sir, please look at my screen very clearly. What exactly happened? You know, whenever you are dropping, you know, missing value, let me load the df2. Let me load what exactly? Df2. Now please cross verify here. The very important point you need to understand. What is the point? You know, let me talk about this apple. Generally, whenever you are going for shop, actually you wanted to buy apples. How you can buy? Do let me know. Can I say 3 apples? Am I right or not? Very good. Can I say 6 apples actually? Next one. Can I say 12.5 actually? No. I mean, this is invalid actually. This is what is, even if you're asking 12.5, will they give? Or they will beat like anything actually. Boss, do you wanted to buy or else you are doing fun actually? Something like that. Conclusion of the story. But here, when I'm talking about the apples, you know what? 12.0. First of all, floating representation is invalid, not recommended actually. Then what we need to do? Let us try to convert 14.0 to what exactly? 12. I'm sorry, 12.0 to what exactly? 12. Did you understand? Now it's the right time. You need to understand. Once you created the data frame, once you dropped all missing value, then still the nature of floating value is still holding actually. What is the nature of apple data type actually? Floating value, floating value, floating value, all are floating only. Then it's a right time you need to understand. Let us try to convert this floating value into what exactly? Integer. It's a very simple, man. How much simple it is, you know. There is a one method, that method name you need to call. What is that method name? You know, as type. What is that method name? df2 dot as type, and here you need to specify integer. Here you need to specify what exactly? This method returns one more data frame. This method returns another data frame. Now just try to come here. It's a very simple. df3 equals to df2 dot, what is the method name? Tell me, sir. As type, and here what we need to specify? Integer. Now if you want, you can check df2 dot head method. Next one is what exactly? No, df. Very good. Head method actually. Any idea what exactly happened? In df2 we do have a floating value. In df3 we do have a, tell me, sir. Good. Now run this example. Perfectly understand. Now if you are showing this report to the client, hey client, you know, I dropped all missing value. Now you can check the apple value. Means when client is reading, otherwise our manager is trying to reading apples 12.0 sold out, 6.0 sold out, banana 9.0 sold out. Are boss, what is the meaning of dot zero actually? But this report not much meaningful, but this report is what exactly? Very meaningful actually. Did you understand? Good. Take this example. Sir, the connectivity is really important. Previous topics are really important to understand the current topic actually. If anyone missed out of previous topics, do let me know. I will help you. Let's move on. The next topic is drop NA in place. Come on, sir. I hope you know actually. What exactly happening, first of all, drop NA method, come here. Where is the method? This is the method. Drop NA method is giving new data frame. Is giving what exactly? Means drop NA method performing changes on the original data frame, and it is recreating a new data frame. It is recreating what exactly? New data frame. I don't want this nature. I wanted to apply all these changes over original data frame only. I wanted to drop all these changes over original data frame only. Then you need to call one attribute, I mean, one parameter. What is that parameter? In place equals to true. Am I right? So in place parameter, you can apply on rename method. You can apply on rename method. You can apply on drop NA method. You can apply on other methods also. Keep in mind that, right? Now, just try to check it out. This example, this is seriously interesting. There is no point of new data frame actually. Old data frame only it is applying. The changes it will be applicable on what exactly? Old data frame. Did you understand? Good. Now, drop NA with in place parameter. What parameter? In place parameter. Come on, I need your help. Import pandas as PD. df1 equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. Can I ask a question? Read underscore CSV, function or method? Let me ask one more time. Read underscore CSV, function or method? That's what that flow matters actually. Fruits1 dot CSV. Now df1 dot drop NA method. I mean, first of all, let me generally whenever you are calling this one, this method returns new data frame. This method returns what exactly? Are boss, I don't want this new data frame. Then what we need to do, I wanted to apply all these changes on original data frame only. Then come here. Here you need to add in place equals to true. Do you think that is the true actually? What is the valid one? T should be very nice, sir. Now just try to come here. T should be capital. Now check it out. df1. Check it out. Let us just try to run the example. Good. Wow, seriously interesting. Did you understand? Good. Now I have one question, sir. I have one question. Get ready. I would like to say this is demo2.py. Take this example. Get ready. Let me ask a question. And I would like to say this is, take the same example. I would like to say this is demo1.py. What is my question? Here, how many data frames would you have? Tell me, sir. 2 data frames. Am I right? What are all data frame names? df1, df2. Very good. Here, how many data frames? Tell me. Can I say only one data frame? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Hope you understand. I hope you understand what might be the reason actually. Okay. Move on to the next one. Next, one more method. Good. What is the topic name? Tell me, sir. Handling missing values. To handle this missing value, we are taking help from methods actually. We are taking help from what exactly? Methods. Now do let me know what is the first one? Df dot is na method. Then second one, df dot is na dot what exactly? Some method. Next one, what is the third one? df dot drop na method. What drop NA method will do? Drop NA method will drop each row actually. Where are all at least one missing value is available. No mercy. It will cut that row actually. It will delete that row. It will remove that row actually. Right? Now the next one will be fourth one. Hold on. df dot drop NA. Can I talk like this actually? Sir, every point you need to understand. Am I right or not? Good. Now, hold on. Python guys, no need to understand this point. Hold on. Python guys, no need to understand. No need to understand. Java guys, please focus. Java guys, please focus. Please focus. Good. Sir, method name is the same. What is that one? Method name is the same. Parameter is different. Tell me one more time. Method name is the same. Parameter is the different. This topic name is called as a method name same and a parameter different. Parameter what exactly, sir? Different. This topic name is called as a overloading. What is the topic name? Overloading. If anyone is coming from Java programming background, seems to be method name is the same but parameters are different. If you want, you can compare. In Java there is a feature and object oriented programming language which is called as a overloading. What is the topic? Overloading. Keep in mind that, right? All right, sir, let's move to the discussion. Other guys, our guys, you can ignore this point actually. Let's move on. All right, now just try to come here. As usual, let us just try to load the data set, and we are just trying to checking print of df1. And now let me cross verify. Print of df1 dot, tell me sir, is an a. Next one is what exactly? Sum method. Good. We have loaded the data set. In our hand we do have a data frame, and we came across there are missing value. I'm repeating again. We are loading the data set. What we are doing, sir? Loading the data set, and we created a data frame, and we are checking missing value. Yes, we do have a missing value. How many ways to handle missing value? There are mainly 3 ways, sir. There are mainly how many ways actually? 3 ways. The first one, handling missing value. Please focus. Handling missing value. The first method, df dot drop na method, we already done actually. Am I right? Am I right or not, sir? And second way is df dot fill na. Df dot what exactly? Fill na. You know, yet to discuss. Yet to discuss. Good. Let me ask a question. When I'm talking about the drop na, am I explaining speed actually? No, right? Good. When I'm talking about the drop na, what exactly happening here? You know, all missing values are getting dropping. Can I say that one? Good. Now sometimes client or else project manager, he may tell, boss, I don't want to drop the data. After dropping, what is the total data? Do let me know. 105. Am I right? Means 45 records are deleted. How many records deleted actually? 45 records are deleted. I don't want to delete the data. I still wanted to keep the data same, but I don't want missing value. I don't want what exactly? Missing value. Then what we need to do, you know, let us fill missing values with some default value. Missing values, some what exactly? Default value. I mean to say that, let us open this one. Please focus. Yeah. Sir, if you apply, I have one question, get ready. If you apply drop NA, for this record, what happened? Any idea? It will delete. Very good. What happened actually? It will delete. Do you think it will delete actually? No, it will delete. It will? This one? No. Now think like this. Now, whenever you are applying drop NA, you are losing the data. What exactly happening? You are losing the data. It is still okay. But I don't want to lose the data. I just wanted to exist still this data, but I wanted to fill this value. I wanted to fill what exactly? This value. By default, what is the value? Can I say NaN? Am I right or not, sir? Now, hey, can I fill this value? You can fill actually. Let me ask you a question. With what value we can fill? Do let me know. Can I fill with 1 actually? No. If you are you have to fill with the 0. Means apples 9 sold out, banana 6 sold out. Instead of, sir, if you make it empty, owner will get doubt actually. Am I right or not? Owner will get what exactly? Hey, boss, why this is empty? Then during that time we will get a shake actually. Then he will understand we done some gambling actually. Conclusion of this story, instead of dropping, we can fill with 0. We can fill with what exactly? It's okay. Instead of 0, if you are filling with 1, what exactly happened? Any idea? Means indirectly it says that one orange is sold out, submit the money to owner actually. Am I right or not, sir? But actually it was not sold out actually. Did you understand? Good. We should not fill with the 1. Can I fill with -1 actually? Can I fill with what exactly? What do you mean by -1? Any idea? Total 100 bananas available. I feel hungry. I have eaten 1 banana actually. Did you understand? That's what -1, something like that. Now, conclusion of this story. Hey, can I fill the data frame with the default value? We can fill, sir. Then simple, nothing is there. There is a one method to drop missing value. What is the method name? Drop any. One more time, drop any. Now to fill missing value, there is a method. Method name is called as a fill NA. What is the method name? Fill NA. Now just try to see. Look at my screen very clearly. It's very simple, sir. See, fill NA. Here, what value I'm providing? 0, 0. Now this method again returning what exactly? New data frame. Come on, come on. Let me explain very clearly. Yeah. Now you can just try to keep this one. Do let me know. df2 equals to df1 dot fill NA. What is the method name? Fill NA. Let us keep here. What is the value? 0. Sir, now you can print what exactly? df2, and you can check it out. What is this one, sir? Missing value also you can check it out actually. How to check it out? Any idea? You can call this method one more time. Here, what I need to provide? Sir, talk with me. 2. Very good. I mean to say that this is before filling, we are checking, we are printing. This is after filling. Am I right? Good. Now come here. Be clear. Every statement you have to be. Wow. First one, we have loaded the data set. First to print statement actually. Very good. This social distance, why we are getting? Because of this one. Am I right? Next one. This is something like, we are checking, do we have a missing value on column wise? Yes, we do have a missing value. Now the next one is, we are handling, we are filling, where are all missing values available? Where are all missing values available? We are filling with what exactly? 0 value. What value? Now just try to see exactly what happened, 150 rows. Now anywhere else any missing values available? No. That's why after what you are getting actually? 0. Did you understand? Very good, sir. Once let me talk with online team. Sir, but during interview they will ask like, they never ask like, explain about the keyword argument actually. Harish, good question. Generally speaking, I used to tell always one point actually. What is the point? In between the method, if you are providing something like that, what is that one actually? My favorite syntax. What is the favorite syntax? Keyword argument. Very, very important. But during interview, no one never ask a question, explain about in place keyword argument. But during interview, what they will ask, explain about in place parameter. What they will ask actually? In place parameter. Did you understand? But nice question. Harish, I need a response from you. Otherwise, I will not move on to the next step actually. Just kidding, boss. Let's move on. Come on. All right. Good. Get ready. Let me ask you a few questions. Are you ready? Can I ask a question? All right. Then how many data frames in the given example? 2 data frames. Hold on, sir. Let me count actually. How many methods? How many methods, sir? Tell me. 3 methods. Tell me method names. Is and A. Okay. 1, sum, 2, 3. Very good, sir. How many functions? Seriously? 2 functions. What are those? Read underscore CSV. Next one, Daniel. Am I right? No, print actually. Print is coming from Python. Read underscore CSV, Pandas actually. Pandas. Very good, sir. How many keywords? 2 keywords. Tell me what are those keywords? Import. Next one is as. Very good, sir. That's it. Very good. Very nice. Like this, we have to analyze. Whenever someone have written the program, from the starting letter to till to closing parenthesis, you should know. Don't mug up the code. Don't by heart the code. You have to understand practically. If my mouse is overlapping here, immediately you need to think that is an object. If it is an object, object characteristics you need to understand. We can use that object to call a method. That's what Daniel is calling like this. That point you need to blink immediately. Okay. Import pandas as a PD. We are aliasing with alias name. If you are accessing, this is called as a function. This is called as what exactly? Function. Sir, can I say df1 is an object actually? Df1 is what exactly? Object. Sir, when I'm talking about the df1 object, there are mostly two important things, sir. First one is attributes. Next one is what exactly? Methods. Then close the cinema actually. These 2 points are very, very important. Whenever you're talking about object, keep in mind that first one is an attribute, second one is method. What is the purpose of attribute? Get info, get information. Can I say that one? Yeah. What is the purpose of method? Perform operation. Perform what exactly? That's it. We can close the discussion actually. Keep in always mind that object characteristics. By using object, let me reveal the secret actually. In Python, everything is an object, man. Everything is an object actually. You create something, backend object it will create. You do small activity, backend object is created. That's why Python is called as a pure object oriented programming language. Python is called as what exactly? Pure object oriented programming language. This point may not required for you, but I'm feeling more anxiety to tell this one actually. Let me tell you Java. Let me tell you Python. Java, partial object oriented programming language. What is that one, sir? Partial object oriented programming language. But Python is called as a pure object or pure geese vita. Have you heard about this one? Same thing like that. Pure object oriented programming. Yeah, pull already, sir. Even I like that one actually. Language actually. So keep in mind that pure means it supports all feature in whoops. But when it comes to Java, it cannot support all features, sir. It cannot support actually, right? Good. All right. Come on, come on. What is the next step, Okay. Yeah. First of all, let me show one more example. Do I need to read this theory? Fill in is a predefined method in data frame. We can access this method by using data frame object. By using this method, we can fill missing value with specific value. If you want, you can fill with what exactly? 0. Go back here. Sir, can I give here something like a 22? Yeah. If you want, you can give, but invalid scenario. See, here how many values sold out actually? No apples sold out. But here what value you are filling? Pay the money, sir. Get ready. You have to pay money from your bank, actually, money from your wallet actually. Are you getting? Good. Let me tell you. I have one friend in SBI Bank actually. SBI Bank. I hope you know that he is a clerk. He is working as a clerk. He's a cashier. He's what exactly? Sir, once work started, end of the day, what is the total money? At least if 100 rupees lost actually, you should not inform to the manager. What he need to do, any idea? He have to pay from his pocket. That is the rules and regulation actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Now, here we should not provide this value, right? But where we can use this one? Where we can use this one? Let me help you actually. Good. Now let me create a small data frame. Let me create what exactly? Small data frame. Good. I'm importing 2 libraries. As of now, one more new library I'm importing. What is that library name? NumPy. That we need to call as a NumPy, but not NumPy. What is that one, sir? NumPy actually, right? Like a few people will pronounce tuple as a tuple and NumPy as a NumPy actually. NumPy, Bumpy, Jumpy. These are all things not available. Yeah, good. Can I say this is nested list actually? Yeah, good. Let me create a data frame, sir. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Hey, not read underscore csv, man. Data frame, very good. And here what I need to provide? Data. Now let us just try to print df actually. Good. Sir, why I am importing NumPy, Explicitly, I wanted to create NaN value. Explicitly, I wanted to create NaN value. Explicitly, you can create NaN value by using NumPy. By using what exactly? NumPy. Or else you can use none also. But NumPy is highly recommended actually. Let us run this example. Good. Data frame is created actually. By default, if you are not providing name of the columns, then it will provide name of the column started from 0, 1, 2. What is the first column name? Second one? Third one? Not much meaningful actually. Instead of that one, can I assign a name actually? You can assign. Name is salary. What is the next one, sir? Name is salary. Now come here. C equals to, good. Give a comma. Columns equals to C. Can I say this is my favorite syntax? What is that one? Nice. Keep in mind that very, very important. Observe this example. Very good. Now just try to come here. Assuming that we started collecting employee details actually. When I started collecting employee details, name is salary. These are all name. These are all what exactly? Name. Ranjan, Daniel, Viru, Venkat, Sumant. Salary. All salaries we are getting. Age is missing, sir. 26, it is okay. Daniel, 16, okay. Viru, 45. Venkatesh is missing. What is missing? Venkatesh is missing. Now let me ask a question. If you wanted to handle these two records actually, we can handle. What is the first one? Drop NA. What is the first one? But if you are applying drop NA, two people will drop automatically. Who are all though actually, tell me? Venkat and Shafi. I don't want to drop missing value. I just need to fill with the value. What I can use? Fill NA. Sir, can I fill NA 0? Yeah, good. Now we can still fill actually. But if you are applying fill NA 0, Venkatesh is what exactly? Not meaningful. Why? Because once he entered into this earth actually, countdown will start. Am I right or not, sir? Is countdown. Right, good. Now come here. What exactly we can, can I check? Do we have a missing value or not? Can I check it out actually? How to check it, sir? Very good. Now just try to come to the code. Let me connect with everyone. Sir, everyone getting? Getting right? Yeah, please focus. DF. Can I make it? This is the DF1. Now, can I say this is DF2 equals to DF1 dot is what happens, sir? Yeah, very good, very good. Otherwise, what is error? Very nice. Now just try to come here and print what exactly? DF2. Can I say this is the result actually, sir? Otherwise, you can come here, you can just try to take this one and we can delete this one. All right. Now just try to check it out. Yeah, we do have a missing value. Where exactly we do have missing value? A's column. How many? 2. Count also it is written actually. Name. Why 0? No missing value. Salary. Why 0? No missing value. Now just try to come here. What exactly I'm doing, DF4. DF4 2 equals to DF1 dot fill NA. Just try to give, can I say these are all youngsters actually? 26. You can generally, how to fill here is, you have to take average is. You have to take what exactly? Average is. What do you mean by average is, So can I say first person, second person, fourth person, and next person actually? All these people is mean value you need to calculate. What value you need to calculate? Mean value. With that mean value you have to fill actually. That is a good practice. Instead of that one, can I fill with the double 2? You can fill, sir. You can fill actually. Sorry. Now these are all things you can drop. Come here. Now understand. This is the actual program. Focus on this. Now I hope you understand very clearly what exactly happened. Original data frame we applied. We are filling where are all missing value would you have? We are filling with what exactly? 22. Did you understand? This is the one way important. What is the next way? Come here, sir. With what value I am giving? 22. Can I give 222? Tell me your grandfather name. Where what is the on an average age actually? Yeah. Can I say 100? Conclusion of the story. We should not fill the age with what exactly? 222. Means you need to think logically. Backend, definitely some team meeting is required. Definitely with the client, we need to have a discussion. Hello boss, there is a column having missing value. Do let me know what kind of technique we need to use. What exactly technique we need to use actually. This I can cover during data processing. This I can cover during what exactly, sir? Data processing. We do have a separate session. Topic name is called as a feature engineering. What is the topic name, sir? Feature engineering. During that time I can cover. Are you getting? Good. But look at this one actually. Wow, interesting. Ranjan is 26. Venkatesh, what is age actually? Triple. Surprising. Am I right or not, sir? This is not recommended actually. Yeah. Wow. This is seriously very good. Exactly. Here we are filling with what exactly, mean value. We are filling with what exactly? Mean value. Let me help you. Let me help you first of all. What is a mean actually? Come on. Let us take the same example. Let us just have to take the same example. Let me print the data frame. Yeah, good. Let us take the same value. I have a one question, sir. Get ready. What is my question? I wanted to access all rows and columns actually. I mean, I wanted to see how many rows and how many columns. What I need to do? Very good. Dot what exactly? Shape actually. I just wanted to access only name of the columns. Dot what exactly? Columns. Very good. Let us print the data frame. Very good. Get ready. I wanted to access salary. I wanted to access what exactly? Only salary column. How to access, any idea? Very good, like this actually. Now, yes, we are accessing all values. Can I apply some method? Can I apply what exactly? Some. We can apply. Company, every month company is paying. Every month company is bearing on an average 3,87,000. Every month the company is supposed to pay for all employees. How much is salary it's supposed to pay? 3,80,000. Conclusion of the story. Once the data frame created, if you want, you can access specific column. You can perform operation accordingly. It is up to you only. It is what exactly, sir? Up to you. Same thing like that. Let us access age column. Let us access what exactly? Age column. Come on. Let us just try to access age column. Very good. Age column I am accessing. Run this example. Yes, we are accessing the age actually. Over this age column, let me call mean method. What method actually? There is a method name is called as a mean. Can I ask a question? This method belongs to which object? Any idea? Very good. I need a right response actually. Very good. Let me tell you. df1 means data frame. df1 of single column means what exactly? Series. What is that one, sir? Means inside series there is a method name is called as what exactly? I mean, it takes some time, slowly by slowly. That's what I'm telling. Every example minimum 5 times you need to practice. Don't be overconfident like a attending the session. You can gain the knowledge actually, but you have to do practice for the better connectivity actually. Guys, are you getting? Good, man. Now just try to come here. Yeah. What is the mean value? What is the value, sir? Do let me know. 26 actually. Good. With this mean value, we have to fill. With this mean value, what we need to do? We have to fill. Either mean you can take, or else median also we do have. Median also you can take it out actually. Anything we can take it out. Now just try to say 23. Anything we can take it out. Right. How to fill that one, assign this one into one variable. Control X. Something like a m equals to something like that. Get ready. df2 equals to df1 dot fill na. Very good. Here, instead of 22, instead of triple two, what I need to provide? M. Done. Right. Now just have to come here. Print df1. Print df2. Execute this example. Very nice, sir. I hope you're able to understand. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Good. Previously, the same example when I was delivering, I remembered actually one student asked a question. Assuming that age is missing, it is okay. Name is missing. What is missing? Name is missing. Sir, if name is missing, you have to fill the value with, there is a string. String name is called as a unknown. What is the string name? Can I fill a by default value? Tell me. Can I use Modi ji name actually? No, we should not use wherever you want actually. Are you getting your one? Good. Keep in mind that. If you want, I will help you with that one also. I mean, what exactly I'm trying to help explaining, just try to come here. Let us take this one is something like a 34. This one is something like a 67. Now, instead of Venkat, instead of what exactly Venkat, np dot nan. Now, let us print the data frame. Let us print what exactly? Data frame. Previously, one student asked a question like this. Array Daniel, now the name is missing. What is missing? Can I fill name value with the default value? Any other value like a Chandrababu Naidu, like a Jagan? Can I fill any value actually? No, we should not fill. Instead of that, what we can fill, df2 equals to df1 dot fill na. What is that one? Fill na. Here we need to provide unknown. What is that one? Unknown. What do you mean by unknown? Yeah, we don't know, sir. There is a person actually. We don't know. Some person. Now print what exactly? Print df1. Next one is df2. Execute this example. Check it out. Yeah. What is the value here came actually? Unknown. Did you understand? Perfectly all right, sir. Take this example. Move on to the next one. We're done. Missing values we're done actually. This is the last example, I guess. Yeah, replace also would have. So far, how many methods we covered, Replace is not that much important, but anyway. Df dot drop and first one is na method. Next one, df dot is na. Next one, some method. Very good. Df dot drop na method. Next one, df dot drop na in place equals to. Are you forgetting or what, sir? Next one is what exactly? Df dot fill na. Df dot what exactly? Fill na. One more method also we use. Df1 dot. Can I say name of the column? Can I say name of the column? What is the name of the column? Is dot what exactly mean? Am I right or not, sir? Am I right or not? I mean to say that just I'm asking method name actually. Mean also we call. Next one is what exactly? Median also. What is the next one? Median also. Sir, any questions? Are you getting your one? Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Yeah, good. I'm sorry. Good. That's what. I need that kind of corrections actually. Very good. Let's move on. This is still equals to any idea? Df dot is dot mean. Am I right or not, sir? Am I right? Good. Move on to here. This one is still equals to df dot age dot median. But which one is recommended? This one or this one, sir? This one is highly recommended. Are you getting? Why highly recommended? Any idea? Because there may be a chance this may having space. Let me talk about employees. Employee space is actually gone case. Then you will get what error? Syntax error. What error? Syntax error. Sir, let me give one suggestion. What is the suggestion? Every example you should do practice minimum 5 times. Minimum how many times? 5 times actually. Let me tell you, even I came from your age only. Generally, whenever you're attending the session, first of all, if you understand the session, we are in the kind of mode like, I understand the session, practice is not required. Let me tell you fact actually. Sir, if it is the English course, non-technical course, it is okay. Practice is literally not required. But technical subject, two things supposed to work. During session, your brain supposed to work. After the session, your finger supposed to work. Whenever you're asking a question, write hello example actually. By looking at you, I can write the program actually. I mean to say that I no need to apply my brain also. Conclusion of the story. Yes, of course you have to, your finger supposed to work, man. Are you getting? Right. Please do more practice actually. The conclusion of the story, what we need to understand, do let me know. Print off what exactly, sir? Hello. You have to do more practice. when I'm talking about the example, your finger supposed to move on over the keyboard. Actually, it will be swing like anything. Actually, keep in mind that minimum how many times required, please, required. Actually, if you're doing one time, two time, anyone can do five times. Actually, do what exactly? Five times. That is okay, please. Yeah. All right, the last example, I guess. One more last example. See, look at the data frame. I would like to say this is the data frame. Name, age, salary. Shahid sir, Daniel, Viru, Sumant. Shahid sir age is missing, salary. Daniel age, Viru age, Sumant age. Only Shahid sir age is missing. Are you getting? Now do let me know. To fill this value, first of all, we do have a data frame like this. We can handle till now in a two ways. First method, you can drop. But whenever you're dropping, what exactly happen? This total record is dropping. This total record is what exactly, sir? Dropping. Next one, you can apply fill any method. What method? Fill any method. I hope you know that one as well. Now drop any, fill any. One more alternative also we do have. What is that alternative? The method name is called as a replace method. What is the method? Sir, somewhere we have heard this method. Where? Very good. What is the topic? String, actually. Nice. Replace method. First parameter, where are all missing value would you have? Replace with what exactly? Zero. Replace with what exactly? Zero. But not using this one in a real time. But if you want, you can still work with the same example actually. Okay. Do I need to execute this example? Good. Fine then. All right. We are closing this topic actually. First of all, DFO. What is this one, sir? Name of the object. Name of the object to whom actually? Data frame class. Methods. What are the method? Df dot drop na. First one, this method we apply. Df1 dot fill na. Parameter required. Next one, df dot replace method. First parameter, second parameter. I hope you understand very clearly today chapter actually. Can I get a response? Am I right? Good. Now move on to the next topic. Move on to the next topic. Selection. I will tell you slowly by slowly. We can move, we can walk through. Go back and let us change the status. Can I say we have done this? And I would like to say this is running topic. And the 14th, what is upcoming topic? After LOC and ILOC, filtering the data. What is the topic name, sir? Filtering the data. Upcoming topic. Got data frame selection, LOC and ILOC. I will give a nice analogy. What is the topic? Sir, after a long time, can we read the error names once? Please, everyone you have to read. Read actually. Very good, sir. Very nice actually. Now, let us explain. In total pandas, we do have a 21 topics actually. We do have how many topics? 21 topics actually. The today topic, what is the topic name? Data frame selection. Data frame, what exactly? Selection by using LOC and ILOC. By using what exactly? LOC and ILOC. Sir, this is the bigger topic in a pandas. I would like to say this is the biggest topic actually. Big topic on an average 30 plus pages actually. How many pages? 30 plus pages. This topic takes 2 days session. How many days session actually? 2 days session. Are you getting everyone? Slowly by slowly I will explain. And damn sure minimum 2 interview questions from this topic. Minimum how many? 2 interview questions. Get ready. And I will explain slowly by slowly. Very easy. Very easy. Follow the syntax very nicely actually. Now let me tell you what is the topic name, sir? Selection by using ILOC and LOC. Hold on. Ah, what is this one? You may ask a question. What is this one actually? Online team, are you ready, sir? Can I continue the session? Can I get a response, please? Yeah. Now, see, go back and get the data set. Import pandas as PD. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. And this one is what exactly? Fruits one dot CSV. Print of what exactly? Df. Let us just try to get the data frame, sir. Come on. Yes, we got a data frame. Very nice. What is the flow happened, till now? I explained about the attributes. I explained about what exactly? Attributes, data frame attributes. The data frame attributes, by using that, if you want, you can get to know total rows and total columns actually. Am I right? Good. If you wanted to print all these name of the columns, you can print out actually. If you want, the next operation is changing the name of the columns and changing the index. Am I right? Good. If you want, you can change this name of the column. If you want, you can change this name of the column. That operation we applied. What is the method name? Rename method. What is the method name? Rename method. Good. Sir, if you want, you can change this index also. If you want, you can change this what exactly? Index also. Now let me tell you. Till now, we didn't touch the data. We didn't touch what exactly, sir? This data. Now, hey Daniel, I wanted to access this value. Only 12 I wanted to access. Or else I wanted to select 1230. Or else I wanted to access from here to these two, from here to these two rows I wanted to access. Is it possible? Possible. By using the current topic actually. The topic name is called as a data frame selection. Data frame, what exactly? Selecting. Inside data frame, we do have a data. We do have what exactly, sir? Data. Hey, can I access only 6.0? Yes, we can access. Can I access only these two value? You can access. Can I access only these three value? We can access. Sir, no limitation, boss. In pandas, what exactly? No limitation. Are you getting your one? Good man. Now let's move on to the discussion. Keshwa sir, I didn't understand your question. What it mean? I'm sorry for cross questioning, but do let me know. Elaborate your question. I will try my best actually. Compare two files means what files? What you're expecting? All right. Now move to the discussion. ILOC and LOC. What is the topic name, sir? ILOC. I will tell you. What do you mean by? First of all, you are thinking LOC means line of control. Am I right? Have you seen the movie actually? Like a soldier movies, LOC. You should not cross LOC border, something like that. This is not a border, sir. This is the topic name. What is the topic name? Here, LOC means location. LOC means what exactly? Location based actually. Good. First of all, selecting a single column. Can we select single column? Come on. I already explained actually how to select. Based on requirement, we can select column from the data frame. If you select a single column, then it returns what exactly? Series. Now, by looking at this example, you can understand. We are importing the libraries. We are importing the library. We are importing the package, and we are loading the file. Whenever you are loading the file, you are getting the data frame. From the data frame, can I access a specific column? You can access. Then this is the syntax actually. Am I right? Do I need to execute this? Yeah. If you want, let me copy paste. I'm very good in copy paste, sir. But you don't do copy paste actually. Are you guys clear? Good, please. You don't do copy paste. Do you think if I run this example, we'll get output actually? What is output? Very nice. You have to catch that error. What is error? File not found error. Now, just try to come here. What is the file actually? Sales one.cs. This is Excel file. More thirsty. Hold on. Come on. Whenever you are selecting single column, it is returning series. It is returning what exactly? Series actually. Next example. Selecting single column from the data frame. Yeah, this syntax also valid. This syntax also what exactly, sir? Valid. Am I right or not? Come here. See, still valid syntax actually. All right. More to the next example. Selecting multiple columns, important. Selecting what exactly? First of all, let me print the data frame. Let me print data frame. Yeah, we are printing the data frame. Whenever you are printing the data frame, exactly we are getting the data frame. Good. How many columns, sir? Talk with me. 4 columns actually. How many columns? 4 columns. What is the first one? Order ID, customer name, product, quantity. Sir, these two single actually. It is not a two. These two single. Single column, single column. 1, 2, 3, 4 actually. You're good. I wanted to access only these 2 columns. Customer name and product. I wanted to access only these 2 columns. Can I access actually? You can access, sir. How to access, C equals to create a first one comma second one. What is the first one? Customer name. Column name should be match, otherwise you will get a you are not done practice, otherwise you will get a very good. So here if you want you can access like this. Now execute this example, check it out. Yes, we are accessing 2 columns. We are accessing what exactly? 2 columns. From the main data frame, we are accessing 2 columns. It is possible, sir. It is possible actually. This is also called as a sub data frame. From what exactly? Main data frame. Am I right or not, sir? Good. One more suggestion. These are all required actually. One more suggestion. If you wanted to become very good in pandas, first you need to be you need to be good in Python actually. You need to be good in what exactly? Sir, why? Because every piece of the code belongs to Python only. If you don't know Python, I'm sorry for saying pandas you cannot understand. Why? Because here keywords we are using. I would like to say module topic. What topic? During module topic I covered what is import keyword as keyword actually. Then I would like to say this is the function topic. What topic? Function. Whenever you are calling a function, we are assigning to the variable actually. That's what I done, the course brochure I have prepared. I made it Python is the base. I made it Python is what exactly, sir? That's what I made you to understand here and there, given left and right for the Python actually. Am I right or not, sir? Once if you feel comfortable with the Python, it's a right time. You can understand topic by topic actually. This is really beautiful. Are you getting? Now, the conclusion of the story will be, if you wanted to become very good in pandas, first you need to be what exactly, sir? Good in Python. Be strong in Python. My suggestion actually. That too, sir, you no need to walk through all topics, sir. When I say the Python, actually, these are all topics are important. What is the first one, first one is a flow control. What is the first one? Flow control. Second one is a string, actually. Third one is a functions. There are 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Come on. Next one is what exactly? Next one is a data structures. One data structure is a mandate. First one is a list. Next one, set tuple or a tuple? Tuple. Next one is a set data structure. Next one is dictionary. The last one is a oops actually. In between, if you want, you can add one topic. What is the topic name? Not required, but by default you will understand module. What is the topic? There are 3 keywords we can cover actually. What are keywords? Import from as. Am I right? Import from as. See, every day we are playing with those keywords actually. By considering pandas, by considering ML, I have prepared Python material. Why? Because I do have a good experience in data science. What is required that I covered already. Right. Your topic will be walkthrough. Sir, end of the course, assuming that imagine imagine tomorrow is last day for this batch. Tomorrow is what exactly, sir? It is not, just assuming, sir, last day for this batch actually. For this what exactly? Batch. Then Python minimum 5 times revision supposed to be done. How many times actually? Before closing the batch, every topic you should close minimum 5 times revision. That is really next level of preparation. What preparation? Next level. Assuming that introduction, one time you prepared actually. Sir, one time revision done. Then go for a second time. Go for third time. Go for fourth time. Go for fifth time actually. Really nice practice. You have to read again and again actually. Then only you can understand. Grind the topic. Mug up the topic. Rub the topic actually. Are you getting? Why? Because one time practice cannot bring awesome result. Sir, let me tell you. If one time practice can bring the awesome result, anyone can learn, boss. Am I right or not? A sixth class student also can learn. He will just come to the session, keep the headset actually. He can listen the session. He will go outside actually. If you wanted to be strong in the topic, sit over the topic actually. 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, more than any number of times actually. I done lot of times, man. Then I became very confident actually. Let me tell you the secret of my practice actually. I done countless actually. Many number of times I done practice. If you wanted to become like me, you have to cross my practice. I mean to say that, assuming that I done 100 times, I done what exactly? If you wanted to become more than Daniel, if you wanted to become more strong actually, how many times you have to do? 150 times. Simple. There is no secret actually. You have to take one figure. What is that one? Assuming that my friend done 10 times actually. You do 20 times, 30 times, 50 times. No one cannot stand in front of you actually. In terms of subject, keep in mind that. Are you getting? Don't think like, I'm explaining, I'm wasting your time actually. These are all key points, sir. Keep in mind that. Okay. Practice with system or any notebook actually. I didn't understand. Sir, is this list providing what changes, like a total count sum actually? Total change count sum, 2 files. It's okay, cool. Yeah, sir. Initially, how to practice with system. Later on, you can do practice without seeing notebook actually. That suggestion I already given. Am I right? Good, good. Come on. Let's move on. Good. Let's move on. In your childhood, you used to write a copy book. Am I right? So same, sir. Fundamental is the same. Always do LKG preparation. Always do what exactly? LKG preparation. Once our teacher explained about A, teacher will explain how many times actually? How many times? On an average, one time. On an average, what exactly? One time. But student will prepare how many times? Any idea? Man, more than 100 times, man. More than what exactly? Then he will become expert actually. Keep in mind that. Always do LKG preparation. It might be irritating for you. Again and again, I'm talking actually. Why? Because, sir, I came from your age only. I know during your young age actually what kind of feelings you will get. I know. I came from your age only. You may skip the practice. I don't want that one actually. Always SN one time. Let me tell you the best practice. What is the best practice? Sir, set one time. Set one time. Don't give, don't give that time to anyone. Don't give that time to what exactly? Even if CM call also, CM is asking your meeting actually. You can tell, man, Daniel told that is a practice time actually. You have to tell him very clearly. Let us take morning what exactly? 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. 11 a.m. to what exactly, sir? Sir, don't give this time. This is really great practice, Slowly by slowly, you have to, what I can say, you have to keep align your body into one timeline actually. One day you done practice 11 to 1. One day actually done. Second day also you have to do the same thing actually. Third day automatically your body will be shape actually. Hey man, it's the right time, I need to practice something like that actually. Don't do random practice. Don't do what exactly? What do you mean by random? Sometimes if you are in Inspire, actually, early morning 3 you will start preparation. What time actually? 3. Just you will wake up 3. After 2 minutes you will get a sleep actually. I'm sorry for getting 3 p.m. morning 9 a.m. next day afternoon 3 p.m. Don't do this kind of practice. Are you getting? Always set a time, sir. That literally helps actually. And you have to do this kind of practice. This literally helps. Am I wasting your time? Please. These are all my experience. If I share something, I used to share from my experience actually. All right, all right. Let's enter into the topic actually. Good. Come on, sir. Anything you can talk with me. It should be a technical discussion. Good. Let's move on. Now there is a one column. Column name is what exactly? Quantity. Come on, talk with me. Quantity. Can I say these are all integer value? Yes, we can say. Client is asking, hey, do let me know what is the total business quantity. Assuming that we sold out a few products, like this product 2 times it was sold out. Samsung, how many times? 3 times. I need total products times actually. Do let me know 2 plus 3. What is the result? 5. Next one is 6. Next one is 9. Sir, if you count down till to the 600, actually it takes a lot of time. Instead of that, you can depend upon one method. What is that method name? Sum. Come on. Now you can just try to come here. df dot first. Which count you want actually? Quantity. Get that one. Get that one. Yeah. First, it is kind of, pulling the column, getting the column actually. We are accessing the column. Over this one, you need to call some method. You need to call what exactly? Sir, actually what it's supposed to be happen, in real time. In real time, like this, you need to print actually. Like this, you need to print. This is the best way of the practice. What exactly? Now run the program. You will understand the beauty. First, we are loading the data frame. Second one, we are capturing the column. Hold on. Yeah. Check it out. First, we are capturing what exactly? Data frame. Next one, we are getting column. Next one, we are applying sum. Seriously, very good. Like this, step by step, you should know actually. Good. All right. We understand how to access single column, multiple columns. Over this single column, can I apply operation? We understand actually. Now, so data selection from data frame. From what exactly? Data frame. These are all syntax we applied. df of what exactly? Single column. df of what exactly? Column number 1. Like this we applied. df of, and like this also we applied. Am I right or not, sir? Good. C equals to list of, I would like to say, column number 1. Next one is what exactly? Column number 2. Can somebody help me here? What I need to apply? C. Am I right or not, sir? Good. These two ways we done actually. Sir, this one and this one. What is the third way, Third way is by using LOC and ILOC also we can access. By using what exactly? LOC and ILOC also. Frankly speaking, this is more powerful. This is what exactly? More powerful. Let me tell you. If you are accessing like this, if you are accessing by using this syntax, it may take on an average 2 minutes actually, assuming that. On an average, how many time it take actually? 2 minutes. But if you are using LOC and ILOC, array man, it take 1 second actually. It take what exactly? Seriously super. Means if you want, you can access the data by using first syntax and second syntax. But in terms of the performance wise, first two syntaxes is not good practice actually. LOC, ILOC, performance wise super actually. You can access the data very quickly. Very quickly can access actually. Are you getting your one? Sir, are you getting? I will tell you why it is a performance wise actually. All right. Selecting specific column value. Selecting what exactly? Specific column value seems to be done. Oh, important. Would you have a time actually? 6:45. Very good, sir. Move on to the discussion. Selecting specific column value. Come on, come on. The very first one, selecting single column, we done. Selecting what exactly? Single column, we done. Done. Second one, selecting, very good, multiple columns, we done actually. And the third one is, what is the third one? You know, select specific data. Select what exactly? What do you mean by specific data? Hold on. Come here. Open sales 1.csv. Look at my screen, everyone, please. Look at my screen. What is the specific data? You know, let us take a view. Let us take what exactly, sir? Customer name. Okay, take this customer name. Total, how many rows would you have actually? Tell me, sir. Total, how many rows? Very good. 600 rows would you have? Very good, actually. Let us take a customer name. There is a customer name is called as a view. Customer name is called as what exactly? Can I say this total 600 customer is mixed of customers records actually? Am I right or not, sir? It can be Viru, Daniel, Nirikshan, Pranati, Kusuma. These are all things actual. But what is my requirement, you know? Are it Daniel? I wanted to know how many times Viru done the transaction. Viru bought the products actually. BYUGH. But what exactly? Product. This is seriously amazing requirement. I wanted to know only Viru records from the 600 records. I wanted to know only Nirikshan records from the 600 records actually. Am I right or not, sir? Best example. Let us take Amazon. When I'm talking about the Amazon having total 1 lakh customers, assuming that. How many customers? 1 lakh customers. But if you open your account, only your transactions are appearing in your account actually. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you're getting right. Now come here. If you wanted to know Viru how many times it is available, now Control F. Now here you can just try to check it out. Viru. What is that one, sir? Viru actually. Now you can just try to click on find all actually. Total how many values would you have? Are you able to see? 29 actually. If you guys are unable to see, let me do some small over action. What is that one, sir? Magnifier actually, right? Good. Now just try to say, when I'm searching for Viru, yes, how many times the result came actually? 29 times. So Viru out of 600, 29 times Viru bought the product actually. Did you understand? This is in Excel we are playing. But the same result I wanted to get in what exactly? Pandas. I wanted to get in what exactly? Very easy, sir. Something like this we can access actually. Are you ready? Can I show you that result? Good. And second one, I wanted to see only Kedar records actually. Control F, you can apply Kedar. Now just try to see. How many? 29 only. Go for Nirikshan. We'll see, sir. More than 1000 times, huh? Check it out. 26 times. How many times actually? 26 times he done the shopping actually. Good. Keep in mind that. Let's move to the discussion. We'll see step by step actually how to do. These are all discussion I will explain. Understand the requirement, sir. Understand the requirement. Very easy. Print off. Let's print the data frame. Team, are you ready? Sir, any doubt, do let me know, please. You can stop the session and you can ask actually. I never reject any one of your question. Exactly. Now, what is my requirement? I wanted to see only Viru records. I wanted to see what exactly? Only Viru records. Then how to see, you know? First of all, where Viru is available? Customer name. Come on, tell me, where Viru is available? Capture that customer name. Okay. Now just try to come here. Here, access the column name. What is the column name here actually? Customer name. Very good. Customer name. You're accessing. Nice. Then, whenever you're accessing like this, can I say all customers we are getting actually? Good. Sir, out of all these customers, I wanted to access only Viru record. I wanted to access what exactly? Can I say all these values which is matching to Viru? Which is matching to what exactly? Viru. Am I right or not, sir? Means whenever you are accessing this one, we are getting series. We are getting what exactly? From this series, Where are all equals to 0, I wanted to get the result. Where are all equals to 0, I wanted to get the result. It is very easy. Don't ask what is double quote actually. We already covered in Python. What is the double quote? Do let me know. Double equals to is what exactly? Operator topic. What kind of operator? Equality operator, relational operator. Am I right or not, sir? Are you getting your one? Good man. Good. First of all, let me print this one. Now let me talk with online team. Online team, are you getting? I will explain 2 to 3 times. Don't worry. All right. Sir, first one important point you need to understand here. What is the point you know? Can I ask you one question? Can somebody talk about this one actually? Good. What is this one? Explain about this one. Relational operator. Okay, very good. First point, relational operator. Relational operator actually. Tell me, what is the second point? Any idea? Using compare. Very good. Using what exactly? Using for comparison. One point not getting, sir. Using for comparison. Any other point? Very good. Excellent point actually. Returns what exactly? Boolean value. Here also same. Here also same. Whenever you're trying to accessing Viru, where are all it is matching, it will give string of Boolean value. It will give what exactly? I'm sorry, not a string, series of Boolean value. Look at the screen. Wow. Why first one is the true, sir? Because first record is what exactly? Viru. And any other way actually? Yes, of course, in between. Dot dot means what exactly? Would you have other values actually? Are you getting your one? Let me repeat one more time. Cinema is not over actually. Hold on. First of all, from these customers, I wanted to access Viru. Then this is the syntax actually. Whenever you are accessing this one, we are getting Boolean value. We are getting what exactly? Are man, who need Boolean value? I need a final result. I need what exactly? A simple boss. You no need to do anything. Cut this one. Assign with one variable. That variable name is a CON. CON means, do you think popcorn actually? It is a condition. What is this one? Condition actually. Now keep in that one. DF of. Here you can provide CON. Here you can provide what exactly? Sir, cinema is almost going to over. Look at my screen. Perfectly we got it, man. All these are all what exactly? Viru records actually. All these are what exactly? Viru record. Are you getting your one? Instead of Viru, I wanted to access Nirikshan. I wanted to access what exactly? What I need to provide? Just to come here, provide what exactly? Nirikshan. Nirikshan. Nirikshan actually. Now just try to see. Very good. Team, are you getting your one? Now, very simple actually. In front of you, let me write the code one more time so that you will get a very clear picture actually. Get ready, get ready. It's a very simple, sir. I will repeat this example tomorrow also one more time. Hey, the topic is very simple, sir. What is the topic, you know? Import pandas as PD. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore what exactly? CSV. And sales one dot CSV. Now what client is telling, you know, you are showing this report to the client. Then client is asking, okay, total 600 records. Let us go to the customer name. I wanted to know Tarun how many times transaction. Otherwise, I wanted to print only Tarun records. I wanted to print what exactly? Only Tarun records. Then what we need to do? Come here. Here we need to apply the logic actually. First of all, get this where Tarun is available, sir. In customer name. Very good. Come here. Apply here actually. Then by default, you will get what exactly? Customer name column. Am I right? Is client is asking this one? No. But what client is asking? Where Tarun record? Take this one. And here what we need to do? Double quotes. In between double quotes, you need to provide actually. Then where are all Tarun is matching? Here you will get a true. Here you will get what exactly? Sir, relational operator always returns Boolean value. Always returns what exactly? Now the nature is never change. Yeah. Here also true. Here also true. But who need this Boolean value, man? I need result. I need what exactly? Result. Then what we need to do, you know? Cut this one. Assign this one with one variable. Assign this one with one variable. Now df of provide here what exactly? Variable. Done. Now check it out. Super, sir. We are getting what exactly? All Tarun records actually. All what exactly? Tarun records. Did you understand? Very nice, actually. Am I right or not, sir? Conclusion of the story: Tarun first record, 18th record, 21st record, one at one record. Actually, you should not ask a question why Tarun is available these many times. He has more money. He is buying products, sir. What is your problem, actually? Are you getting everyone? Conclusion of the story: is there any restriction? One person should buy only one time product, actually? No, there is no restriction. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Now get ready. At the same time, I wanted to ask, I wanted to access Lavanya records, sir. I wanted to access Lavanya madam records, actually. How to access? What I need to change? Yeah, instead of Tarun, what we need to change, actually? Lavanya. Simple. Now just try to cross verify. Wow, these many. Madam, more records, actually. Are you guys are getting or not? Good. Keep in mind that. Come here. I hope you understand. Don't miss tomorrow's sessions, are more fun, actually. Yeah, we done for today's session. Did you understand, everyone? All right. What is CON? Variable, sir. CON is a variable, actually. But what I told? Yeah, condition. Variable or condition, but not a, yeah. We can do that. We can do and doing the same. Doing in upcoming topic, actually. The topic name is a joining or merging. What is the topic name, sir? Joining or merging, actually. I mean, hold the anxiety. I'm sure I will cover, actually. Did you understand? We are working on the same. All right. We done for today's session. But don't miss tomorrow topic, sir. Tomorrow is more fun and more interesting topic. Okay. Yeah, this one also we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow I will start explaining again from here. Tomorrow I will start explaining from again here, actually. Now let me tell you. Let us have some group discussion. If anyone is feeling revision any topic, do let me know. I will help you. Hey Daniel, we need a revision for so and so topic. I will help you, sir. I'm happy to hear that one, actually. Okay. If anyone is feeling difficult any topic, do let me know. Don't ask introduction. Are you getting? Oh, did I miss yesterday running notes? Okay. Sir, coding is very easy, sir. Your concentration really matters. Focus. Only focus matters. Check it out. Seems to be someone is telling I have missed out yesterday running notes. This one is 41 running notes. What is the today running notes? Come here. Uh, come here. Running notes. Yeah, correct only. Somebody is saying, Sneha, what is the issue? Do let me know. Repeat one more time. Seems to be here also I need to upload the today running notes. Sir, you have to guide me if I'm missing any file, actually. Go back. NIT SST NIT 530. All right. Running notes. Good. And take this one. Let us try to upload today material also. Chapter by chapter uploading material is a good practice and really good to deliver instead of whole bunch in one shot, actually. Data analysis, the topic name is a selection, LOC and ILOC. Data frame selection, LOC and ILOC. Running notes is required. Next one, material is required. Do you think data set is required? Okay. Why? Because any idea? That is sales one only. Am I right? But still, anyway, if you want, I can help you. Sales 1. Sales 1. Handling missing well. Yeah, good. This heading I need to be changed. Fine then. Final call before closing the session. Did I miss anything? No, right? Material uploaded, running notes, data set actually done. And what is the running topic, sir? Tell me. Topic name is a selection LOC and what exactly? ILOC. It is a big topic actually and damn sure important. Damn important. Very easy. I will explain slowly by slowly. It takes minimum 2 days session. It takes what exactly? Minimum 2 days session. This is the major topic. Once this topic is done, let me tell you, pandas takes on an average how many sessions? You know, hold on. If you want, let me give an idea. We are here, right? Where are we? We are here. Filtering, sorting, group by merging, joining, concat, adding, dropping, date and time, concatenating. I can say on an average seven to eight sessions, sir. How many sessions actually? 7 to 8 sessions. Is there any hurry? I wanted to close entire thing in one day. Any hurry actually? If you are asking also, I will not cover, sir. Are you guys getting right? Please be patient. See. And once this data analysis is done, the next immediate topic is the machine learning. What is the topic? But before machine learning, I'm going to cover, there are bunch of the topics, especially once this pandas is done, we are going to cover one big project in a pandas, which is a real-time project actually. I'm sure from here to till here, all operations will be covered in that project actually. When I'm covering about the project, which is a EDA project called as a pandas project, you will get a complete revision about the total pandas. The total pandas project takes 2 days session. How many days session? Which is seriously very interesting actually. Are you guys getting? Fine then. All right. So stop everyone 1 minute. Let me ask you one question. Yeah, I'm providing, sir. I'm providing. How is practice is going on, sir? Good, right? Come on, keep continue. Set a time. Either if you want, you can start at least for 30 minutes. That is okay. Don't target first today 3 hours practice. Let me give a small suggestion. That is highly impossible. First today in your career, first time you are hitting the coconut means don't start immediately 3 hours, 4 hours actually. You have to give 30 minutes first. Don't do 3 hours, 4 hours practice. 30 minutes slowly by slowly, gradually you have to increase actually. 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Minimum 2 hours practice required, sir. Minimum how many? 2 hours practice is required. Do practice. Fine. We're done for today's session. Take care, please. Good night, everyone. Yeah, take care, sir. All right.